So I'll be now inspecting the main shaft. We need two tools for this, micrometer and the calipers. So first thing to measure is the thickness of this race here. The minimum thickness is 4 millimeters. And I've got, well, 4.5, so this is good. Of these races here, and for this they use a micrometer, but well, let's see. Minimum diameter is 37.8. I've got 38. So, but this is the difference is lower than the tolerance of the calipers, so it's better to use a micrometer. Yeah, so I have at least 38, so this is good. According to the manual, there is also a large race. And I don't know what it is, but where it is. But when I find it, I'll measure it. So I have to, using the micrometer, measure this part for any wear damage.